So it's time for lunch. I opened a bag of green beans and I seasoned it with some adobo and some olive oil. I'm going to stick it in the oven, and that's what I'm going to have for brunch. Okay, so this is one of my favorite snacks that I've just recently discovered. Grapes and lime. Grapes are really sweet and then the limes are really sour. So you eat a grape and then you eat a lime. And it's like a Sour Patch Kid. It's so delicious. And then I'm going to have some water as I'm waiting for my green beans in the oven. So this is how the green beans turned out. I like that they kind of get brown a little bit with the cast iron. Gives it a different flavor. I added 2 cloves of garlic, some liquid smoke, and some smoked paprika half the way through. I cooked it about 30 minutes total, so about 15 minutes in, I added more seasoning and a little bit of salt. So let's see how it tastes.